We're back with some more J-Hope. We just got done listening to More a few songs ago. We're here with Chicken Noodle Soup. This song must be sick, because chicken noodle soup is what you eat when you're sick. If you got a cold and whatnot. But alright, let's do it. Chicken noodle soup.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out.
Okay.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
From 광주 한 거시기에 금납 충자 스트리트 여기 내 할렘 누런 입단 바운스 맡음 춤을 뻑까 워커홀릭 물 시대의 밤샘에 성장한 케이스 내 키는 충무로 make I'm okay 큰 비전 그려가는 펜 꿈을 그려가는 내 리듬들의 번호 스텝 Popping, rocking, hopping, touching, ducking, flashing, swagging, whoop
Okay.
하지만 일같이 한시 바삐 하지 난 위헌일 whoop 나를 채찍해 당근은 커피의 인생의 배팅에 추운 나의 curse Oh, on the swing 이제 나만의 길 with Becky G on the side every day I live
Time out. This is fire. The dancing is snappy. Some snappy dancing, bro. The flow is fire. This beat is crazy too. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. That sounds good right about now. Let's go.
Popping, rocking, hopping, touching, ducking, flashing, swagging, whoop
Let him know.
하지만 일같이 한시 바삐 하지 난 위헌일 whoop 나를 채찍해 당근은 트로피의 인생의 배팅에 추운 나의 curse Oh, on the swing 이제 나만의 길 with Becky G on the side every day I live
We always got love for where we come from, so let 'em know what's up. Ooh.
Okay, Becky.
No matter wherever we go, bring it back to this place called home, babe. Now that you know it, let me see you.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
Man.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with
That
soda
dancing's
on the
crazy.
side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with soda on the side.
Chicken noodle o pollo con espagueti. Ninguna de estas mujeres tiene flow que tiene Becky. Latinoamericana soy de aquí. Carita de santa pero friki. ¿Quién me va a decir? Sí, ya todo lo vi. Donde yo nací, no pensaban que una mujer iba a sobresalir.
Go, J-Hope.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Nothing.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Nothing.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Look back at it.
Okay.
Like camera action, definitivamente la mejor de la escena. What on the street, we got the people reacting. La gente.
You got me reacting, that's for sure. Oh yeah, we're reacting. Sorry.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Look back at it. Like camera action,
Okay.
definitivamente la mejor de la escena. What on the street, we got the people reacting. La gente que critica simplemente me da pena. We always got love for where we come from, so let 'em know what's up. Ooh. No matter wherever we go, bring it back to this place called home, babe. Now that you know it, let me see you.
What's going on? What are we doing?
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out.
Okay.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
I like that shirt.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. side.
That dancing is nuts.
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
And bring it out. Yo. Just bring it out. And bring it out. Yo. Just bring it out.
I clear it out. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it,
Let's go.
let's get it, let's get it.
Man, that was fun. Clear it out. Clear it out. Hey, man, that was fun, dude. Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. You heard it here. That's how it is. So yeah, that was fun. That was definitely a vibe. Never heard of Becky G, but good stuff. I like that Becky. She got that Becky too. Yeah, that was fun, dude. The dancing was crazy. Okay. Now I know the chicken arms. That's an easy move. Okay, but they were mixing in some the snappy movement, man. That shit looked crazy. Forgive my language. I'm not supposed to be cussing. I don't do that. Anyways, it's just the S word. Anywho, that was fun. That was good stuff, man. And yeah, J-Hope is fire. Let's see what chat has to say about it. Hold up. Let's go, J-Hope. Let's see. Yaha, this is fire. Love watching him dance. Yeah, there we go. Shake it, don't break it, boy. Too much fun. Holy monster truck from the sky, yo. Get it, Becky. Cool monster truck drop. I don't know how to say that. Hot chili pepper. LOL chicken car. Now I want some chicken noodle yakisoba. Okay. Anywho's, that was a lot of fun, man. J-Hope killed it again. But I'm out of here. On to the next videos. If you're new, hit that sub. It's free. Subscribe and show J-Hope some love. The channel link will be in the description below. And be a light to others around you, all right? Give them some chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side, all right? And then let it rain and clear it out. God bless. Brandon out.